Hi, you're welcome. I want to make a quick video on how to switch your 3G phone to 4G. Okay, so let me just go through this so you see by yourself that this my phone here is a it's a 3G phone. Okay, all right. Sorry. Okay, all right. So you can see that this is a 3G phone. There's no 4G here. So okay, I just came across this app that I want to share with you and. I believe this is going to help you out. Okay, so you go to your Play Store. I need to on my internet, alright? You go to the Play Store, alright? Okay. Okay, I want you to download this 4G Light Switcher. Okay, this is the app that does the miracle. Okay, alright. So when you come over here, you can see you have the option here where you can change to 4G Light. Okay, so this is where the magic has been done. Okay. Alright, you can ping to see if you pass the test. So you can see that my network now is on 4G. Alright, so you can see if you can check it out at the CS browsing. Okay, so I just converted my 3G to 4G. Okay, so it's just wonderful, alright? Uh, Give it a try and see if it's gonna work out for you. Alright, thanks for watching this video. You can like and subscribe. Okay, you can see that it's working. Alright, thanks. Bye.